Big mystery, and ladies and gentlemen, 31 hours after a damning PCR call, police control room call to the Delhi police was made yesterday by a Rajya Sabha member of parliament, Aam Aadmi Party's Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal, alleging assault inside where? Inside the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence, his Sheesh Mahal. A member of parliament being roughed up, being assaulted in the Chief Minister's residence? Well, if that wasn't surprising, then listen to what's going to come in this part of the news hour. Aam Aadmi Party today fielded Sanjay Singh to give a 120-second statement on the scandal that rocked Sheesh Mahal. The entire blame has been dumped on Arvind Kejriwal's close aide and right-hand man, Bibhav Kumar, who was earlier the official PA. Now his appointment has been struck down, so he is no longer the official PA but continues to be the unofficial PA, having access to both the office and the inner recesses of Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Today, Sanjay Singh said he's responsible. But that's exactly what Swati Maliwal was saying yesterday. So then what is the action on Bibhav Kumar? Nothing that we hear. So Swati Maliwal is yet to break her silence or file an official complaint. She has been incommunicado to the media ever since she visited the Civil Lines police station yesterday following her call to the PCR from Arvind Kejriwal's residence. In this edition of the News Hour, we get you exclusive details and the backstory that led to Assaultgate. But before that, watch how a new character has jumped in. He's Swati Maliwal's estranged husband, Naveen Jaihind, and he has accused Sanjay Singh of lying about this controversy. Listen in to Sanjay Singh and Naveen Jaihind.
विभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की। आम आदमी पार्टी ऐसे लोगों का समर्थन नहीं करती है, ये स्पष्ट करना चाहते हैं।
जो स्वाति के साथ ये घटना हुई है, ये पूरी साजिशन घटना हुई है, पूरी साजिश के तहत घटना हुई है और उसको अब डराया धमकाया जा रहा है और उसके साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है, ये भी मैं जानकारी के लिए आपको बता देता हूं। तो मिस्टर एमपी संजय सिंह, तेरे को सब कुछ पता है, झूठ ना बोले, एक्टिंग मत तारा है। ये एक्टिंग तारने से थोड़ी आत्मा होगी। मैं बोलूंगा जब तो समझ में आ जाएगा अच्छी रहा। बाकी तुमने सारी बातें का बेरा है, जो साजिश है, जो षड्यंत्र हुए हैं। लेकिन मैं ये बात कहना चाहता हूं, स्वाति को खुद बोलना चाहिए।
So we are getting you the inside details of the rift in the Aam Aadmi Party. Sources are telling Times Now that Arvind Kejriwal was upset with Swati Maliwal for being absent during his arrest. Swati Maliwal had claimed that she was in the US with her ailing sister, a trip that party bigwigs had no knowledge of. She had not taken permission, she had not kept the chief of the party, Arvind Kejriwal, informed that she was going to the US. And that began the problem. Even before that, there have been rumblings. But on her return in April end, sources say Maliwal waited to be given importance in campaigning. After all, she's a founder member. In Kejriwal's absence, while he was in jail, Sunita Kejriwal, we understand, refused to have her name in any of the campaigning lists. When Arvind Kejriwal got bail and came out, Swati Maliwal tried to reach out to the chief minister but got no appointment. Sources telling us that yesterday she forcefully landed unannounced at Arvind Kejriwal's residence and fought with the security, who couldn't stop a Rajya Sabha member because those were her credentials, and she just pushed her way into not just the premises, not just the home office, but to the residence part of Arvind Kejriwal's Sheesh Mahal. There we understand that she came in because rumors had begun with a picture that was posted of Arvind Kejriwal and Sunita Kejriwal with Abhishek Manu Singhvi, the senior counsel who defended Arvind Kejriwal in the courts and got him his bail. So both husband and wife, Arvind Kejriwal and his wife, were extremely indebted to him for the case that was fought by Abhishek Manu Singhvi. And rumors started that Swati Maliwal might be asked to resign from her membership and Abhishek Manu Singhvi would get that particular Rajya Sabha seat. It is that probably angered Swati Maliwal, and she reached Arvind Kejriwal's residence. When she reached the residence part of the Sheesh Mahal, the reported fracas with Vibhav took place. People said that she began to scream and shout at not being allowed to meet Arvind Kejriwal. Vibhav appeared there and said that he wasn't going to meet her at that point. He was busy, and she wouldn't get an audience with Arvind Kejriwal, and a little bit of pushing and shoving apparently happened, and to make herself heard, she decided to give a piece of her mind to the Aam Aadmi Party and said that she was capable of taking this dirty linen into the public because she knew a lot of secrets of the Aam Aadmi Party, which is when she made the PCR call. When a PCR call is made from the Chief Minister's residence, the police has to take notice of it, and then Swati Maliwal was taken to the Civil Lines police station. And then Sanjay Singh was summoned. He was in Mumbai for his marriage anniversary yesterday, was summoned in the middle of those celebrations, came back to Delhi, and today tried to broker peace between Swati Maliwal and Arvind Kejriwal to calm her down, not to spill the beans or hold a press conference or file a written complaint. And insiders are telling us that Swati did threaten to wash the dirty linen in public. Sources are also telling us now that twice the Delhi police has reached Swati Maliwal's residence at 9:30 a.m. this morning and at 6:30 p.m. So far, she's holding out, probably demanding her pound of flesh from Aam Aadmi Party. So that is the shenanigans that is going on inside the Aam Aadmi Party. And joining me on the debate, Charu Pragya, spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, Harshvardhan Tripathi, senior journalist, continues to be with us. Joining us also is Advocate Kapil Madan, political analyst. But my first question goes to Dr. Akashdeep Muni, supporter of the Aam Aadmi Party and political analyst. And Akashdeep Muni, Arvind Kejriwal got bail for campaigning, for winning elections, proving the point that during elections he had the right to campaign. And what's happening? Not even 2 days, the bubble stayed in the Aam Aadmi Party. Internal divisions have completely taken the wind out of the sails of the Aam Aadmi Party. So many people have resigned, some are in jail, and now Swati Maliwal. Just recently, she became a member of parliament. Or ab assault in the chief minister's residence. What will happen to the residents of Delhi?
I totally agree with you, Navika ji. It is highly condemnable that a sitting Rajya Sabha MP has been assaulted in CM's office, CM's home. This is very sad premise with what we are hearing. But there are many questions. Why Swati Maliwal has yet not filed a complaint? What happened at that place? I think the Delhi police should take a suo motu action and file a complaint suo motu and go ahead and find out what actually happened at that place. As per what we know, that Sanjay Singh's after comments that there has been a problem between Vaibhav Kumar and Swati Maliwal at the residence of the Chief Minister. I think the Aam Aadmi Party should have been forthright to suo motu file an FIR against Vaibhav Kumar. This has to stop. This is impacting the party. They should
have suo motu filed, but they have not filed. Swati Maliwal has not filed, but she has called and complained of assault. Ho kya raha hai, Anand Ranganathan? Can you understand?
First of all, even though Dr. Muni is a very dear friend, I had hoped that he would at least apologize, because yes, yesterday when I commented on the fact that Swati Maliwal ji had been assaulted, he accused me of spreading fake news. तो डॉक्टर साहब आज आप खुद ही कह रहे हैं कि yes she was assaulted, so I think propriety suggested
वो डेवलपिंग स्टोरी थी, जो स्टोरी आप साइड कर रहे थे वो फुल स्टोरी नहीं थी, हेडलाइन कुछ और था और बॉडी कुछ और। आप प्लीज उसको दोबारा पढ़िएगा। बट हाँ, आज ये सामने आया है,
असॉल्ट तो हुआ है, बॉडी पर असॉल्ट तो हुआ है।
I totally agree, and this is highly condemnable. And I think that Aam Aadmi Party should show more to take an action. I will not defend these type of actions. And I think Aam Aadmi Party is late in acting. They should have acted yesterday.
In his defense, I do appreciate Dr. Muni saying that there has been lapse on the part of Aam Aadmi Party. That is creditable, and that is why I respect him. Doctor will not lie. So thank you for saying that. But the fact remains, it's been more than a day, Dr. Saab, and the so-called Sheesh Mahal is awash with CCTV cameras. What impression does it give if the Chief Minister says that every nook and corner of Delhi will be monitored, and his own home has not been monitored for 24 hours, and he sent someone who speaks for less than a minute and says, yes, we are going to take action, this is truth.
Well, let me get in Charu Pragya. Charu Pragya, CCTV footage should have been seized. After all, it's a Rajya Sabha member of parliament who has been assaulted. Does the Rajya Sabha secretariat not need to know what happened? And if the CCTV footage comes out, do you think we'll know the reason for the so-called fracas between Swati Maliwal and Arvind Kejriwal? Because that's the home that she was visiting?
Navika, good evening. I think something really fishy is going on behind the walls of the Sheesh Mahal, because 2 calls were made to the PCR, and in the first call, even the CM was roped in. Swati Maliwal actually named the CM and said he assaulted her. But by the time the second call went around, the story was slightly altered. And after that, she's completely disappeared. From then till now, there is zero action taken by the Aam Aadmi Party. From then till now, everybody has been wondering why a habitual offender who's been kicked off his post 1 year ago is still being retained by the Delhi Chief Minister. Can somebody from the Aam Aadmi Party answer that? Because from what we understand, in 2023, he was removed from his post. So unofficially, he's been retained. He's got other FIRs to his name for similar things. And a woman, not just any woman, a dignitary, a Rajya Sabha member of parliament, somebody who's headed the Women Commission, is assaulted in the drawing room of the Delhi Chief Minister. So I don't think it is as simple as it looks. I also think that condemnation from Mr. Muni is coming 30 hours later, Mr. Muni. 30 hours later.
Absolutely,
from you
and
or from Sanjay.
there is silence on the part of Arvind Kejriwal and Kapil Madan. Kapil Madan, I want to ask you in this case, what should happen? What are the next steps? And should the CCTV footage and a proper investigation take place, or will it still be called a vendetta politics?
Now, Navika, investigation is the prerogative of the police authorities. If they have information about occurrence of any cognizable offense, they can register the FIR. They can initiate all those actions for preservation of evidence. If the police has prima facie material to show that yes, cognizance offense have happened. But my friend Charu Pragya will not tell here that the Delhi police comes under the Home Ministry. What is stopping the Delhi police
to register
an FIR?
That's my question. Agar Delhi police CCTV footage nikalta hai, questioning ke liye CM ko bulata, because if Charu Pragya is saying that the CM was named in the first phone call, will it be called vendetta politics? Ya phir badle ki rajniti nahi kahenge?
100%.
Navika ji,
that's what they will say.
Can I? I think Navika, I never completed.
No. I'm short of time. I'm short of time, Madan Saab, because Harshvardhan Tripathi also wanted to come in.
नविका जी, सबसे पहले तो कल आकाशदीप मुनि ने जिस तरह से झूठ फैलाया, माफी मांगनी चाहिए। लेकिन आकाशदीप मुनि चूंकि आम आदमी पार्टी के समर्थक हैं, तो उसी तरह का व्यवहार करेंगे। लेकिन जो सबसे बड़ी बात है, सीएम रेजिडेंस में ये सब हुआ है। संजय सिंह ने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है। निश्चित तौर पर दिल्ली पुलिस को FIR करना चाहिए, सीएम को क्वेश्चनिंग के लिए बुलाना चाहिए। सुनीता केजरीवाल जी इस वक्त महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका में है। उनको भी, उनसे भी पूछताछ होनी चाहिए। ये सीएम के घर का मसला है, ये सब कुछ सीएम के घर में हुआ है।
Well,
विभव कुमार वो
dirty linen not only of the Aam Aadmi Party but also of the Chief Minister's resident, an assault happening with a woman who has been the women's panel chief in Delhi and who's now a Rajya Sabha MP cannot be treated as a light matter. Clearly, extremely serious. Will we get answers, or once again, will it only be convenient politics that will be played on this issue? People of Delhi waiting, people of India wanting to know the truth. Mr. Kejriwal, can we have the truth, please? Can you stand up for your own party member and lady member of parliament? Why have you not lodged an FIR with Delhi police? Questions going out to the Chief Minister of Delhi. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night and be safe.